for racks, I guess that's why they mad. 22 like shiny, glizzy in the stash.
We got the wide body cat. Yes, sir.
He ain't go nowhere.
Yeah. Got the Pontiac. Got the Gallardo. This 430 Scugariga nasty. Got the R8. I don't even know what this is. A 600 LT. 570. Yes, I'm retarded. Never mind. Then I got the 488 GT3. What is that? 765, I think. This is new 765 LT or some shit.
They ain't delivered it to me yet, y'all.
Yeah.
I had to pull it up here before.
He must have another one.
Oh yeah, I tell you, bro, he got like 4 of them. He got a Urus, he got this one. He got the white and black one.
Right here,
LP 700. Damn, this is nasty. Oh my God. Look at them lights though. We got the whole GLA team over here. I'm pretty sure they're all his cars if I'm not mistaken. Aventador, Aventador, Aventador.
I prefer the Grand National over there.
And we got the I-8. And we got the hardest car at the car meet right here, man. Hey, these colors are dope. We got the Mopar squad up here. But we got Drama Hawk and Moogie Cat here. Go ahead and check them out on YouTube. Smooth and Rain. We got the brand new wide body Hellcat. And we got my boy Life is Stern and his one of one wide body Hellcat.
Go
ahead, check him out on YouTube as well. Yes, sir. Showed you this, man, but here you go. The man himself, Life is Stern. Make sure y'all go check him out. Yes, sir. Finally, it's my first time seeing this in person too, since I ain't been back since he ain't had it, period, for real. And then he just got that too, didn't he? Yeah. That shit crazy. You know, and she said she didn't have her Lambo doors on it for like, what, 2-3 weeks she done told her, so that's new. But yeah, the whole Mopar squad out here. We got a G35 over here popping away. Look at all these blowers, man. This is a red eye though. Don't get it misconstrued, man. It's a red eye. I see the little flame. Yeah, swing that bitch. Oh my God, it's a demon. We don't get this sight too often around the channel, man. And he got them Hoosiers on there, man. You know he ready to hook up. Damn, my first time seeing a Hellcat red eye in person too. Hey, they got the Mopar out today. Sheesh. That shit nasty. I don't know how many times I'm gonna say nasty in my video today. That shit crazy. We gonna switch it up. That shit crazy. Got the C8 right there. Blow a bag on his license plate. I'm weak. Hold on, wait. There we go. Yeah, that demon. Can we get some smoking tires or something, bro? It's a whole demon. That shit crazy. They've been clearing 570. Let me go get this footage real quick. Nah, go ahead, bro. My bad.
You would've got the old school Ricky from the old school though.
Nah, I ain't PB hopping. Ooh, I hear you. I hear you. Here goes that super we missed back there in the back, man.
Bitch.
Yeah, that shit clean. We got the M3. Hold on, he was trying to rev it, but we got the M3. CTSV. And he got Florida tags on it.
Let's go play Libra.
Yeah.
So who driving that one? Is this ass driving that one?
Oh, hell no, he's supposed to play. We're acting a fool. Like, that's a red eye. It's not even super stock. Damn, the red eye's out today.
The older guy that you was talking to.
Oh yeah, you asked me too quick. Top wire Tony.
Oh, that's his name. Okay, I'm like,
Hey, Sylvia gang though. Sheesh. Man, that shit crazy. That's some big boy trucks. SRTG. Got a Nissan 300ZX. Right hand drive. I hear a little flugger. Damn, Camaro. But we got another GT500 over here, so that's two right here at this meet. Wide body with the purple wrap. Okay. Failure. Oh, that R33 back from I ain't put this in my one video because I didn't have enough footage from that one meet to put it in here, but now you guys get to see it. Yeah, I like that hood. That shit nasty. Defiant on his license plate. Hey, I like they license plates today. N20 blue. We got another Hellcat pulling in. Got another GT500. Yaga right there. Is that a Supra? Sorry, man. How you good, bro? And we got more cops pulling in as if we need them. Weird flex on his license plate. Ooh, okay.
Now that I get doesn't like it, she gets
that little Toyota Spider sounding like that. Lights is clean. I like those. That little RS3 is clean though. Evade on his license plate. Another GT500, bro? What is this, like the third one?
yeah, and the scooter.
He brought the tires with him. Hey, this Porsche nasty though. I like that. What is that, Macon or a Cayenne? Macon GTS. Slime. Oh, clean. That M3 nasty. I like that. Shiesty on the back of that. That's a drift car for real though. That's nice. They would do it up there, man. Yes, sir. All 4 Giagos with it. Uncle Cat, I like that. Now, what in the contraption? I don't even know what to say, bro. I have no idea. That's a whole road safety hazard. What in the hell? They threw it all together. Literally. We got another Hellcat on the way out. They was deep with the Hellcats in Mopar today. Okay. We got the cruise gang rolling by. I hear you. Okay, old vet. Got the Evo 10. We got R8 coming. Is this David? Nah, it ain't. It ain't. Grab it. Yes, sir. Got the ZL1. Is that Gil?
Put that shit up, quick.
That is Javier, his young ass. Crazy. Oh, got the V-Wagon. Rare sight, rare sight. they can do it for us once they get up here. Up there acting crazy. We got another cruise. Oh, wait, come up here and do it. That's clean. Not JDM, I'm weak. Oh yeah. Oh, you gotta give it some. Bye. Good seeing you. Go ahead and check her out. Make sure you subscribe to them on YouTube. Smooth and Rain. Then we got Drama Hawk back here. You got the GLA tag too, damn. R33 clean. Damn, in the TL. It's nice, some bikes coming up the hill, man. Another 300ZX, clean with it. Something sound ferocious coming up the hill.
Yeah, something's coming.
I don't know. Oh yeah, do something. Corolla. Got the Lexus RCF. Nasty. But alright, y'all, I'm about to go ahead and end this video now, man. We're about to leave. It's raining. My phone about to die. So hope you guys enjoy this little video, man. We got some more cars still leaving. Corvette. But anyway, man, like I said, we're on our way out, man. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. If you haven't already, smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, man. I'll see you guys on my next video. Peace.
Yeah, I like phones, but I need something with a deuce on the dash. I'm that nigga in the Hellcat, I ain't even gotta go fast. Racks on top of racks, I guess that's why they mad.